Hello dear students, welcome in another online class of TYBSc where we have discussed some addition reactions of carbon-carbon triple bond. In last lecture we have discussed about the addition of halogens to carbon-carbon triple bond, addition of halo acids to carbon-carbon triple bond. Now in this lecture we have to discuss the addition of hydrogen to carbon-carbon triple bond. We have to discuss this reaction, that is addition of hydrogen. Third addition reaction of carbon-carbon triple bond. Addition reaction of hydrogen to carbon-carbon triple bond. C triple bond C. We call it hydrogenation. So we have to study hydrogenation of alkyne. So alkyne react with hydrogen in presence of some catalyst, because this reaction cannot process without the use of catalyst. So C, reduction to alkene. Final product is alkane. Reduction of this triple bonded compound C triple bond C alkyne, when hydrogenated, they get converted into the hydrogen added across the double bond. So alkyne first converted into alkene, first addition of hydrogen, alkene. Then in the next step, this one is again unsaturated compound obtained, and this unsaturated compound again interact with next mole of H2 and form saturated compound. So CH. So addition of 2 moles of hydrogen and we get alkene as a final product. So reduction to alkane. So alkyne gets reduced to alkane. Final product is alkane. But in this case, this hydrogenation cannot be simply done with only addition of hydrogen. It requires some catalyst, some another substance which requires here to proceed the reaction. So that substance we call catalyst, and that catalyst, so this reaction takes place only in presence of certain substances such as nickel, rhodium, platinum, palladium. So these are catalysts. Okay. So these catalysts are required for the reaction. So this reaction is processed in presence of this only. In presence of rhodium, in presence of platinum, in presence of palladium. So this is hydrogenation reaction where alkynes get converted into alkane. Now, what is the role of this catalyst? We are adding catalyst here. So what is the role of catalyst? The role of catalyst is to provide the surface. So this is the catalyst surface which provides surface for the addition of, so first carbon-carbon triple bonded compound adsorb on the surface of this catalyst. So adsorption of this unsaturated substance, unsaturated compound on the surface of catalyst, and again adsorption of hydrogen on this surface. So now their approaches closer to each other, and that's why it is easier to add these two hydrogen across the carbon-carbon double bond, because this surface provides these two molecules in the vicinity, and due to this vicinity they are ready to react, easy to react, and that's why they react. But this addition is a syn addition. They are added from the same side, not from opposite side. Here the addition of hydrogen is a syn addition. So this is the addition of hydrogen, or the process called as hydrogenation. So in hydrogenation process, carbon-carbon triple bond is converted into carbon-carbon single bond. Carbon-carbon triple bond is converted into carbon-carbon single bond by using some reagent, by using hydrogen in presence of certain substances we call catalyst. What is the role of catalyst? It provides surface for the addition of adsorption of these two compounds, and then addition takes place Second, the energy of activation for this addition is very high. Energy of activation for the addition of hydrogen to carbon-carbon triple bond is very high, and this energy is reduced, lowered by the presence of this catalyst. So it lowers energy of activation, and second, provides surface for reaction to proceed. It provides surface and lowers energy of activation. These are important function of catalyst here, and in hydrogenation catalyst is must, catalyst required. Now in this reaction we can stop this reaction at alkene stage, because here alkane product is obtained, but we can stop this reaction at alkene stage by using some reagent, and we have to see if this reaction is proceed up to alkene stage only, then we can obtain two types of alkenes, that is cis alkene and trans alkene. So this reaction if proceed, so cis alkene formation, can be formed. How cis alkene form? For cis alkene formation, the catalyst or the reagent we used hydrogenation in presence of palladium and BaCO3. This catalyst is called as Lindlar catalyst. So Lindlar catalyst is used. Suppose we have taken here CH3, C triple bond, C, CH3, 2-butyl is the reactant we have used, and hydrogenation in presence of Lindlar catalyst, this palladium in presence of barium carbonate. So this is Lindlar catalyst. So if Lindlar catalyst is there, then this reaction proceeds with cis addition of hydrogen across the carbon-carbon triple bond, and we get cis 2-butene. So here hydrogenation is a cis hydrogenation. So cis alkene obtained here. Cis alkene obtained only when hydrogenation can be done with the help of Lindlar catalyst. Okay, Lindlar catalyst is H2 when added in presence of palladium and barium carbonate. So cis alkene formation. How trans alkene form then? Trans alkene formation, where the reagent or reactant alkyne, when alkyne reacts, this 2-butyl react with hydrogen in presence of metals such as sodium metal in presence of ammonia in liquid form, or lithium metal in presence of ammonia in liquid form, then the resultant product obtained is a trans product. Trans alkene formation took place here in presence of this metal catalyst. This metal catalyst provides route for trans alkene formation. So here 2-butyl reacts with hydrogen in presence of metal, sodium or lithium in liquid ammonia, then there is formation of trans 2-butene. So trans 2-butene formation. So this is about the addition reaction of hydrogen to carbon-carbon triple bond, where we call this process hydrogenation. Hydrogenation of alkene is always done in presence of certain substances we call catalyst. It may be rhodium, it may be nickel, it may be palladium, platinum. These are the catalysts used for the hydrogenation process, where in hydrogenation alkyne gets converted into alkane by stepwise process via alkene. Alkyne gets converted into alkene, alkene gets converted into alkane by addition of hydrogen. We can stop this reaction at the alkene stage only by using some another reagent where cis alkene can be obtained by using hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium carbonate. It is called as Lindlar catalyst. So Lindlar catalyst is used for cis alkene formation, and for trans alkene formation we use sodium or lithium metal in presence of liquid ammonia. Then we get trans alkene formation. So trans alkene formation. So this is the hydrogenation reaction. Now another reaction, next addition reaction of carbon-carbon triple bond that here we have to study is the addition of water. So addition of water. So in addition of water, fourth addition reaction, addition of water. Addition of water. In addition of water, see here carbon-carbon triple bond. Water is added. This undergoes addition reaction. Similarly, water addition took place in case of alkene also. In case of alkene, the addition of water took place via carbocation formation, but in this case no carbocation formation takes place, and this addition of water takes place in presence of H2SO4 and HgSO4. So these are some catalysts used for this addition of water to alkyne. Now in the addition of water, the negative part, that is water molecule, is splitted in this way. So negative part gets attached. So this is partial negative charge, partial positive part. So this negative part gets attached to that carbon atom which is having less number of hydrogen. So we get here CH3, here C and OH, double bond C, here H, and this is another hydrogen. So OH gets added to, negative part gets attached to the carbon atom which is having less number of hydrogen. So these two triple bonded carbon, and in these two triple bonded carbon, this carbon